In this video, I will show you the best game turbo settings on the Redmi 15C. So let's get started. First of all, just open the security app. Then swipe up and open the toolbox section. In the toolbox section, you will find the option of Game Turbo. Just tap on it, and once you do that, you will open the Game Turbo settings on your Redmi 15C. Now on this page, just go to Settings, and as you can see, these are the Game Turbo settings on your Redmi 15C. And on this screen, you will find a few settings which will improve the gaming experience. Like at the top of the screen, you have the option of Game Turbo, and by enabling this feature, you will improve the gaming experience on this smartphone. After that, you have the option to create an in-game shortcut. Now let's create an in-game shortcut, and I will show you this shortcut later in the video. Now at the bottom of this page, you will find another setting which is called Home Screen Shortcut. Now if you enable this toggle, you will create a shortcut of the Game Turbo on the home screen. After that, if you go to the performance section, you can improve the performance of the Game Turbo. Like you can optimize the gaming performance. Now if you enable this feature, your smartphone will avoid overheating and some other hardware related issues while you're gaming. And also you have the option to prioritize bandwidth. After that, you have the option of a Wi-Fi speed booster. Now if you enable this feature, you will boost the Wi-Fi speed while you're gaming. And finally, you have the option of Game D&D. And from here, you can restrict the buttons and the gestures while you're gaming. Now let's go to the home screen. And on the home screen, as you can see, this is the shortcut of the Game Turbo which we have created. And from here, let's open a game. For an example, I will open this game. And after you open the game, you will find a small bar at the side of the screen. Now if you swipe from the side of the screen, you will open the in-game shortcut which we have created earlier. And from here you can boost the performance of the game. As you can see, the game was running on 51 FPS. And by enabling the booster, we have boosted the FPS to 60 FPS. Also, you have the option of performance settings. And from here you can boost the Wi-Fi speed. And also you can clear the memory from here. As you can see, we have cleared the memory. And at the bottom row, you will find a few shortcuts, like the shortcut for Do Not Disturb mode and the shortcut to capture screenshots. And also you have the option to record the screen and to cast the screen of your smartphone while you're gaming. And you also have the shortcut to turn on or off the Wi-Fi. At the bottom of this window, you will find the option of timer, and from here you can start timers while you're gaming. And finally, you have the feature of voice changer. And by using this feature, you can change your voice while you're gaming. Just select allow. Now just open the in-game shortcut one more time and tap on voice changer. Now as you can see, you have a few options to change your voice. And from here you can select how your voice you want to be while you're gaming. And these are the best Game Turbo settings on the Redmi 15C. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.